So, you suddenly decided to change your life around and want to become successful and improve yourself for the remaining of 2023. So here's a list on the best YouTubers for the specific motivations or like niches that you would need to succeed. Let's get right into it. First category, finance. So the best finance YouTubers. In the first category in the finance niche on YouTube that we're going to be discussing is real estate. And I'm gonna have to recommend Stephan Graham for this niche. He is the original real estate guy, and he used to make original content on real estate. It's pretty good. Now he makes like algorithm videos kind of, but it's still good quality, so you should watch him. Second category, and this category is pretty important, living frugally, aka saving money. Now I would still go with Stephan Graham for this category because he is a pretty frugal guy despite being hella rich. Like he spends like $2 or something on coffee, or like 2 cents. That's pretty good. If I was rich, I would be blowing all of that on $200,000 of water. Anywho's. But if you want a YouTuber that's like focused more on frugal living, it's gonna be Frugal Fit Mom. She makes all content related to living frugally, and she's really cheap. You can watch her for like cheap freezer meals ideas, perfect for college students, cheap groceries, blah blah blah. Oh yeah, if you're a college student, learn how to cook. That would save you so much money. Either that or instant ramen, but I'm pretty sure ramen would still cost more. Category number 3, credit cards. Now for credit card, I would recommend Jung. He makes the best quality credit card videos, and they're super long and they're super informative. He would like make like 40-minute videos on like deep dive into like what credit card is and how it works and where it can start and then climb your way up in terms of the credit card ladder. He's also a really great cryptocurrency guy, which is the category number 4. He made like a beginner guide for crypto investing, which you should really watch. And number 5, if you want to start a business, go with Codie Sanchez or Iman Gadzhi. They're both really great business YouTubers, and Iman Gadzhi has like a beginner guide for business. It's really good. You should watch it. Also, bonus tip, you should watch The Wolf of Wall Street. That would motivate you so much. Okay, category number 2, productivity. Now, if you're currently a student and you want to like study better, you should watch Abdaal. He's the ultimate productivity guy. And he makes videos on how to study, how to save time, how to make videos on YouTube, how to not be tired, how to manage your time, how to not waste time, how to be productive. He's basically the guy for productivity. And his videos are like kind of short, which is pretty good to save time. Don't waste time watching YouTube just to be productive. But yeah, I think there's not really like another YouTuber that I would recommend. Oh, never mind. There's one more. Matt D'avella. His videos are really informative and they're really nicely edited. Now here's the fun category, gymming. If you want to change your life for the better, you're probably into gymming. So here's the best YouTuber for motivation for gymming, the Tren twins. They are so funny and they're so toxic to each other in like a supportive way. They would roast each other and like they would like be so egotistical, which is mostly what gym bros need. They need motivation. You look at these guys and you're like, oh god damn, I'm small as hell. And so you get your ass to the gym. Another man, if you need like motivation, if you're a powerlifter, Brian Shaw. He's the 4-time world champion for being the strongest man, and he's gonna motivate you like. And yeah, I think that's about it. Finance, productivity, frugally, gymming. Oh yeah, the last one, mental health. So the best channel for this, in my opinion, is Psych2Go. They make really like informative and like soothing videos that like it makes you calm down. And if you're dealing with mental health problems, watching their videos is a good start. So that's about it. Now I try to pick the best channels that aren't like focused on entertaining you. They're more so focusing on like specific goals to like motivate you, mostly motivate you or like teach you stuff. And mainly those two, motivate and teaching you to become a better person, because that's what you need right now to become a better person and to succeed in life. You don't need entertainment. Quit all the games, quit everything, watch only the good stuff, research the good stuff, how to make money, how to work out, how to get stronger, how to get bitches. And yeah, that is what you need right now. Don't give in to what you want. And also, I've been saving the best for last. This guy is the best YouTuber of all time. He will give you the best video with the best information. He's so funny. He's so sexy. He would change your life. His name is Billy Boi. Look at him. So good. So sexy. I would give this man my kids. If I see this man in person, I would instantly get on my knees and start doing this. He's just that great. Nah, I'm just kidding now. I'm just making fun of the people on Instagram that would post videos on like how top 5 YouTubers that have changed their lives and then they include themselves. It's so stupid. And a real note, my channel is shit right now, but it is getting better. And yeah, that's about it. Bye.